Okay, well, what we're going to do today is show you how to start a fire using the basic necessities of outdoor camping, uh, known as your flint and steel, which can be purchased pretty much at any outdoor store. The second most important thing to have is organization and be prepared. And as you can see, I have different sizes of sticks here that I'm going to be using to start the fire with. I have the smallest ones to the left, a medium-sized one here, and then larger, and then onto our regular campfire logs. Obviously, it's important to know what means of source you're going to use to start the fire with, and probably the most flammable one in the whole world is probably lint from your home dryer. It weighs absolutely nothing and can fit into your fist of your hand, so for camping purposes, it's probably the best thing to use other than cheating. I've prepared my fire pit so that I know exactly what I'm going to do once I get the lint on fire. And I've also set myself up so that I could pick the lint up using some bark that I've gotten and using that as a shovel to put it into the pit where I want it to be, and then I could lay the rest of the wood on top of that. So as you can see, I'm pretty much ready to go. As I use this flint and steel, as you can see it will ignite this lint pretty quickly. And time is not on your side, so you need to be able to be prepared, as I said before, and you need to be ready to go so that you could take your steps in making sure that the fire ignites properly, and also you're able to build it up so that you could, throw the bigger logs on. So I'm ready to go, and if you watch real closely, you'll see what's going to happen. I'm going to prepare the lint so that I have like a nest, and that I could pick it up, and once it's ignited, put it into my fire pit where I want it to be. Okay, so here we go. You ready? And there we go. That got lit pretty quickly. Now I'm going to move into my pit exactly where I want it to be. And I'm going to throw my kindling on it, and hopefully that it will ignite enough so I could go to my second stage. I just brought this kindling in from the outside, so hopefully it's dry enough and it's not wet, which I obviously was thoughtful about when I brought it in. I'm going to put a couple of these pieces on that I know are dry and that I know shouldn't have any problem igniting whatsoever. So far everything is going pretty much close to script. Let's see. So far we're doing okay. I just want to be able to get these bigger logs on and let the fire be hot enough. Let's see how that works. Actually, I used 3 different sizes of tinder. Obviously, the first size I use is a combination of dry bark and just little twigs. And then I went to a little bigger twig, and then some shavings from the logs, which I knew would light pretty good. And now we're into the larger pieces. And once we get these going a little bit, then I'm going to put these on, and then I could go for the overnight stuff. So as you saw before, it was just 1 or 2 strokes from our flint and steel. Dry home dryer lint, as I said to you, is the most flammable thing that you could possibly use. And when you're an outdoorsman and you're camping, it actually weighs nothing. You could keep it in a little plastic bag and always have it available. And you have no fret. And once again, you need to be prepared. You need to be prepared properly, set up properly, because sometimes you just don't get a second chance. So, that's pretty much it. I think we did pretty good, and go and enjoy your outdoor camping. Thank you.